Hello students, today we are going to discuss first chapter of class 5 EVS Super Senses. Class 5 EVS. So, before we discuss about super senses, let us discuss about senses that we have to feel the world. So, how many senses do we have? We have 5 senses. Number 1, we see with our eyes. Number 2, we smell with our nose. Number 3, we taste with our tongue. Number 4, we hear with our ears. And number 5, we feel with our skin. The skin is all over our body and we can feel through the skin. So, these are the sense organs that we have. Like us, we have 5 sense organs. See, touch, taste, smell and hear. Animals also use their senses to learn about the world. Animal senses do not always work like our senses, but they have super senses also that help them to feel the world. So let us discuss about the first sense, that is sight. We see the things. So in human beings, we use our senses of sight. We see with our eyes. Our eyes help us to know about the things in the surroundings. Like this, do you know, students, a starfish. Starfish do not have eyes. Small spots on the starfish arms help them to see light and dark. We use our eyes to see, but the starfish uses its arms. Starfish do not have eyes, but small spots on the ends of their arm can help them to tell the difference between light or dark. By these spots, they know about that they are swimming in a lighted area or in a dark area. So, this is the super sense of starfish, that they don't have eyes but they can see the light or dark. Touch. Next sense is touch. When we touch things, we can feel them. If the thing is smooth or rough or hot or cold, okay, all the parts of our body can feel things. All parts of body can feel things because all over our body we have skin. The skin gives us the sense of touch. But in case of cat, a cat uses its whiskers to feel what is around it. You can see the whiskers on its face. These help them to feel. Cat use the hair on their face. The long hairs on the face of cat are called whiskers. Cat use their whiskers to let them know if they can fit through small openings. So, they can know with the help of their whiskers that they can go through any opening. Next is taste. We taste things with the help of our tongue. We taste things and know about if the thing is sweet or sour or bitter. Different parts of the tongue are good at picking up different tastes. So different parts of our tongue help us to tell different tastes. But in the case of butterfly, the butterfly is tasting the flower with its feet. Butterflies taste with the help of their feet. A butterfly tastes with its feet. When butterflies land on flower, they use taste buds on their feet to know if the flower are good to eat. So we have taste buds on our tongue, but these taste buds are present on the feet of butterfly, by which they taste the flower and know if they should suck the nectar of the flower or not. Smell. Next sense is smell. We use our nose to smell and to breathe. So, smell comes from many different things around us. We can smell many things around us. They can be bad or good, pleasant. Smell is invisible. We cannot see smell, we can feel it, smell it. Like the smell of flowers. But in case of snake, a snake uses its tongue to smell the world around it. So this is the super sense of snake, that is use its tongue to smell. Snakes use their tongue. Snakes don't have noses, so they use their tongue to breathe smells into their mouth. Then they use special holes in the top of their mouth to tell them what they are smelling. So now guess which animal have super sense of sight? Eagle, kite, vulture. These birds have super sense of sight. They can see 4 times as far as we can. Hearing. Next sense is hearing. We hear sound with our ears, like this. Sound tell us about the world around us. But in case of crickets, the small white dots on the cricket's front leg are actually its ears. They have ears on their leg, front legs. A white dot is there, and that dot works as ears for their body. Cricket use their legs. Cricket do not have ears on their heads like people do. Instead, they have ears near their knees. Super senses. Some animals have senses that are much stronger than our senses, and these are known as super senses. As we have discussed many super senses of different animals and birds, so the animals have better senses than us, and these are known as super senses, like the super sense of an eagle, vulture or kite. Birds have some of the best eyes of the animals. Animals में जो सबसे अच्छी आंखें होती हैं, eyes होती हैं, वो birds के पास होती हैं. They look for food in the ground while they are flying high in the sky. An eagle can spot its prey from a distance of 8 meters. Eagle can find its prey or its food from a distance of 8 meters. So this is the super sense of eagle, super sight. Now let us discuss about super smell. Dogs. Children, we all know that dogs have a very efficient smelling power. Bloodhounds. A bloodhound's sense of smell is 1,000,000 times stronger than a person's sense of smell. They have 1,000,000 times better sense of smell than us. That is why bloodhounds are used to track people who are lost. So they are used to find lost people, to search things or search peoples. A bloodhound can use its super nose to track a scent that is nearly 4 days old. So Their sense of smelling is so powerful that they can smell a scent that is 4 days old. Power of smell. Look at these dogs. We always see that dogs sniffing on the way. Whenever they go anywhere, they sniff. They smell everything. Dogs mark out their way, their own area. They can find out if another dog has come into their area by smell of its urine or waste. So dogs find out the presence of other dog in their area by its urine or waste. Now, sniffer dogs. Sniffer dogs are used to locate bombs and drugs, etc., hidden in luggages and public places. So they can sniff and smell. Sniffer dogs sniff and trace a thief from his smell. They can also trace the thief by its smell. So they are used by police to track criminals. Next, super sense of smelling is of ants. We all know that ants move in rows, they move in groups, they can find their food easily. If we place any sweet thing anywhere, we can see after some time many ants come there. This is why, this is because of the smelling sense of ants. They recognize their friend from their smell. During earthquakes, the dogs sniff and find out the people buried under the waste. We can see the ants are moving in a row. Ants leave smell on the ground as they move. The other ants find the smell and find the way. A silkworm, this is a silkworm. A silkworm finds its female worm from many kilometers away from the smell. Their sense of smell is so strong that they can smell their partner many kilometers away. Next is mosquito. Mosquitoes can find us by the smell of our body, sole of our feet, and the heat of our body. This is why mosquitoes bites on our legs mostly, because they can feel the smell of our sole. They can feel the heat of our body also, and their sense of smelling is so high that they can feel the smell of our body, our soul, and they can find if any person is near about them or not. Now, super hearing sense. Bats cannot see in the dark. We all know that bats cannot see in the dark. So, but they come out in dark only. In night time, they fly in the sky. They use their ear at night to tell where they are flying. So they don't use their eyes to see. They use their ear to feel where they are flying, because they make a noise and then listen to its echo to know where they are. Elephant. All we know that elephants have big ears. These big ears help them to hear better because they have a huge body. They have to listen the sound coming from distance due to their huge body. So these big ears help the sound waves to reach to their ears. Now, a snake cannot hear. We all know that snakes do not have ears, so they cannot hear. A snake cannot hear, but it can feel the vibrations in the ground and in the air. They feel the vibrations around them in air and on the ground. Whenever something moves near them, there is a vibration in the ground, and they can feel the vibration and find out that something is in their surroundings. Langur. Langur warns other animals of dangers like a tiger or leopard by making a special warning call. They call all the animals whenever they see that the leopard or tiger is approaching to them, and the animals become alert and run away. Next is dolphins. Dolphins send message with special voice alarms. They give signals of different type of voice to other dolphins. Dolphins send message to other dolphins with the help of their voice signals. Now, next is tiger. Tiger can feel the vibrations in air with whiskers, which help them to move in the dark and find its prey. So, tiger's whiskers help them to move in dark and find their prey. These whiskers tell them by feeling the vibrations of the prey in nearby surroundings. Next is tigers can distinguish the rustling sound of leaves from the footsteps of prey. Whenever there is a prey around them, the rustling sound of leaves, dried grass, by hearing that minute sound, they can find out if any prey is around them or at what distance it is from them. Next is a tiger can see 6 times better at night than most of the human beings. So tigers have a very good sight, and their sight is 6 times stronger than us. They can see things better in night than us. That's why they hunt their prey during night time, when the prey becomes lazy and it is easy to catch them. A tiger can make different sounds for different purposes. A tiger can make different sounds for different purposes when it is happy, when it roars, and when it is approaching to a prey, when it is showing its anger, or it's giving signal to the other tiger. All these type of all on these occasions they have different sounds. So a tiger have many super senses. So students, now let us check our knowledge, what we have gained from this session. Question number 1. Which animal do we use for its super sense of smell? We all know that is dog. For what purpose do we use them? We use them for finding bombs, drugs, criminals, for searching lost things and lost peoples. Which animal gather around food quickly with the help of their sense of smelling? Which is that? That is ant. Ant gather around its food very quickly because their sense of smelling is great. Which animal find us from the smell of our body? That is mosquito. Mosquito feel the smell of our body as well as our soul of feet, and due to which they can find us in dark also, and this is the super sense of mosquitoes. Thank you.